learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Dahu Township in Miaoli County has a large Hakka population and is known as the Strawberry Kingdom of Taiwan. Its mild and rainy climate is perfect for growing strawberries. In addition to these red, jeweled berries, Dahu is also famous for its sweet and crisp persimmons. Two types are grown in Miaoli. Both the rich and Tsulong persimmons are sweet, crisp, high in water content, and are radiant in color. Orchids sprout from the Manambang Mountain at an altitude of 500 to 1,000 meters, the perfect height for the best persimmons. Local orchards welcome tourists to experience the fun of picking persimmons.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another edition of Talk About Hakka.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿炳哥 Leo。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。And Leo， 今天呢，是不是又要带我们去哪里玩，或介绍当地的一些特色之类的？
好，那我们就来去我的故乡
当然了，苗栗县 ，That is 苗栗 County。
今天去大湖好了。
怎么没有创意啊？大湖就草莓啊，这要讲几次啊？
但是我们今天要介绍大湖他们最近有一个特别的物产那就叫做甜吃
甜吃也是水果吗？
是的，
橘色的
对，橘色的
柿子。
对啦
Okay, interesting, because I asked Leo to take us somewhere to introduce some of the local delicacies, and he says let's go back to his hometown, Miaoli, and a township known as Dahu, which is popular for its strawberries, but everyone knows about that, so that's not creative enough. And he says, no, today we're going to teach you, or introduce to you, something that is different, a different fruit, and it's the persimmon. 好，既然介绍了这两个水果，顺便也教大家草莓跟柿子分别怎么说。
好，臭莓
that's strawberry 草莓嘛，
对，草莓。
那柿子呢 persimmon
吃
好，那这边的这个柿子，它像草莓一样可以自己去摘吗？
对，他们现在有一些观光果园就是会开放给民众自己去采。
So great, in Dahu Township, not only can you pick strawberries, which is very common, now you can also pick your own persimmons. 哇，就一大颗一大颗的带回家了，
对呀，你看，
对
如果再搭配那个秋天的螃蟹，那不知道该有多好。
你不知道吗？螃蟹跟柿子是不能吃在一起的。Please be careful when you eat persimmons. It's not recommended. In fact, avoid it at all costs to eat crabs, which is in season right now. Okay. All right, let's review how to say 大湖的柿子。
太府给吃
太府给吃Go enjoy some of this month, especially even next month. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么太嘎？
按字say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.